Good morning, people. EZRA ONDARA here. Today I am in Kiamunyi, Masingeri, presenting a 2-bedroom all-ensuite townhouse for Kenya shillings 15,000. Now, let me just say, this one will be given on a first-come, first-serve basis because I expect not less than 100 calls once you guys receive this video. So without further ado, let's get rolling. Very well, that right there is the unit. But before we go in, let me show you the compound. There we go. And right here, we have got just 4 homes, and 2 of them are occupied. This one straight ahead is the one on the market right now. The one on the far end is yet to be completed. So we have this beautiful compound here, of course, which can be used as a parking and also a playground. On the corner, they have got that latrine, of course, for the guests, okay? And of course, on the corner right there, you can see those big water tanks pale. Those are the ones that supply water into each home here. Very well, let's check out the home itself. Let's go inside and voila, here we are. That is the lounge, very spacious. Okay, on that end, let me give you another view from this side here. Still, that is the lounge, and maybe one more look from this angle right here. There you have the lounge once again. So it's pretty spacious. It is neat. The tiles are good. You know, the walls are nicely painted. You know, that's how it's looking. And then the kitchen is right there. Okay, so just a compact kitchen, but just enough for the price of this home. 15,000 Kenya shillings, and you get a 2-bedroom all-ensuite right here at Masingeri. Okay, Masingeri, Kiamunyi. There you have it. You can see, you know, water is running. So on either side of the lounge, we have a bedroom. So let's start with this one right here. This is the first bedroom. So I think you'll typically decide which one to make your master, and of course, which one to leave as the guest bedroom. So there we have it, like that. The wardrobes, you know, tucked right there. And yeah, the bed area, you know, where I'm standing right there. So typically you can do a 5x6 bed in here. And this side, tuko na nini? The washroom. It is right there. The washroom and the bath area. So it is one room serving both functions. Sindio? So again, one more look at this room, and of course looking at the floor space right there. I've told you the size of bed that is appropriate in this room. So we go the other side and we enter the other bedroom. Both bedrooms are en suite. So this one is slightly larger, okay, much larger actually, not even slightly, than the one we have left. So that's why I said you'll decide which one to make the master and the other one to have it as a guest, okay? But this one right here can accommodate 2 3.5 beds, this bedroom, but the other one, a 5x6, which is a queen bed, will be appropriate there. And of course, they have their washroom on this end here. So it is just the final works on progress. Like right there is that tile to be fixed up, but by the time you come, the home will be ready for you. So right there is the shower head, and yep, namna hiyo. So now, my number is 0791-055-678. Give me a call and you book yourself a 2-bedroom all-ensuite townhouse in Masingeri, Kiamunyi, Nakuru. All right, 2-bedroom all-ensuite. Just ideal for a young family, ideal for a couple, ideal for friends, you know, 2 guys, 2 ladies who want to, you know, they can cohabit. One can use this bedroom, the other one can use the other bedroom. And yep, mambo namna hiyo. They cook pale and they live here happily ever after until, of course, they move to a much bigger house or even their own house. So I love everything here. And the compound, wow, look at the sunshine now. Oh, the sun is out. Look at that. Beautiful, you know, sun is out. So you can always come over the weekend or even any time of day. You just chill out here. You enjoy the sun in this beautiful compound. Enjoy your shade under the tree there. Kama jua imekuwa kali. Beautiful. I love it. Love, love, love everything here. Okay, 2-bedroom, master ensuite, townhouse, just 4 of you. Especially for those who like to live in a place that is not congested, this is just the ideal place to be. Kiamunyi, Masi, Njeri, Kenya shillings, 15,000.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the sky.
Very well. So like I said, first come, first serve. You guys give me a call, bring you here, you book your unit. And remember, house hunting throughout the week. I, EZRA ONDARA, I go around Nakuru finding these good homes, you know, and then every Saturday, I'll take you to the site using our van, and then you get to see a variety of homes on the market. But this one right here, first come, first serve. Even when we come on Saturday, the one who will say, I want it first, is the one who's taking it. So, or rather, even the one who will put the money on the table first. Sindio? Aya, see you in the next one. And of course, subscribe to EZRA ONDARA TV for more house hunting content around Nakuru. Aya.